For centuries, La Ciotat's history has been intertwined with its maritime activity. Its shipyards, treasures of the French industry, have produced many legendary vessels and have successfully combined their ancestral expertise with modern-day excellence. Its technical know-how in refitting great yachts has contributed to the town becoming the meeting place for yachtsmen from the four corners of the world. Beyond its industrial reputation, the Golfe d'Amour, or Gulf of Love, awarded the title of the most beautiful bay in the world in 2019, is also an exceptional haven for pleasure boaters in search of authentic experience. At the doorstep of the Calanques National Park, in an unspoilt area which puts great emphasis on biodiversity and sustainable development, La Ciotat takes pride in its 4 miles of golden sand beaches, its picturesque rocky inlets, its rich seabed and dizzying cliffs with their astonishing rocks, combining enchantment and new discoveries with the Mediterranean way of life. All this and more can be seen during a stopover from your yacht, making use of one of the 5 recently built moorages for 30 to 40 metre boats within the old port itself, a place steeped in history and the beating heart of the town, which was fully renovated in 2019. Or why not wintering on the hard in the nearby yard? From the Parc de Mugel Botanical Gardens to the local museum, from the Bec de l'Aigle Semaphore to the crystal waters of the Île Verte, the sunny terraces to the shaded narrow streets, from rappelling to kite surfing, fine dining bistros to Provençal markets, calm, relaxing afternoons to thrilling nights in casinos, from the film festival to the traditional Sant Roc festival, every stay at the Ciotat has something new to offer under the colourful Mediterranean sun. Home to pétanque and cinema, a beloved town full of heritage, La Ciotat, far from glitz and excess, reveals the purest, most authentic and beautiful side of the Provençal coast.